So this video is going to be quick. It's going to be about Fisker, going to be for April 12th, moving forward. Going to be extremely beneficial for Fisker investors. Going to be analyzing the graph, giving you guys lows and highs. In the meantime, by the way, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate the support. Hope you find this video helpful. And quick disclaimer before I begin, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. And everything I do share with you guys is just my opinion. It is not advice. So please do not buy or sell based off the information I give you or the opinions I do form. Please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. Okay, so looking at the graph, this is extremely beneficial for Fisker investors. If you're looking to enter, if you believe in the company, again, do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. But we close at $15.40 as of April 9th, 2021. There's a downward trend resistance line dating back since March 2nd right here. You can see a touch point right there, first touch point, second touch point right here, and a third touch point right here. So you got 3 touch points, solidified downward trend resistance line. Technically, there's like another downward trend resistance line that I probably could have like highlighted and found. But either way, momentum's going down below all 3 moving averages right here. MAC line's trying to cross over to the positive, but I would say if you're looking to enter and you believe in the company, then there's a good chance, like it's not guaranteed though, not guaranteed, but there's a good chance since it's solidified right about here at the $14. When I measured it, by the way, it was between $14.30 and $14.50. It was like 51 or 52 cents. I can't remember exactly. So again, if you did your due diligence and research and you believe in the company in terms of long-term and all that stuff, then a good level to enter, hypothetically, again, nobody knows for sure, is the $14.30, $14.50, essentially mid 14 for the most part. And then what could happen too is just like it happened right here back in November 2020. Technically, there's a downward trend resistance line, if you can imagine it, and then it broke off to the side and consolidated for pretty much almost 3 months from December to February 2021 and December 2020, February 2021. So same thing could happen, could go lower to the $14 price point right about here and then break off, consolidate, and then spiked up, which is pretty good because in a few months, you essentially doubled your money. Again, this is if you believe in the company and you think they're going to do great. In the meantime, downward trend resistance line below all 3 moving averages. MAC lines crossed over to a positive, so that is a good sign right there. But these were negative signs. Now, the thing is though, I think they're structured well in terms of stock though. I don't know about due diligence, like research and all that stuff, but you could see right here, if you go to the 1 year chart, quite a bit of support like I mentioned, but this is between the December and February time frame at the $14 price point. But I would hypothetically start worrying if it breaks the, when I measured it was $13.50 price point. So like right about here, you can see the support levels bounced off kind of thing at $13.50. If it breaks $13.50, I'd be kind of worried, but there's a chance that it could consolidate because there was a major consolidation period at the $14 and mid $14 price point. And I think because the MAC line looks like it's about to curve to the upside on the 1 year chart, I think you could be in good shape. So that's essentially what I wanted to show. I think this is extremely valuable if you're looking to hypothetically either enter or you are thinking to exit. I would say hold on. But again, this is just my opinion. It is not advice. So form your own opinion, do your own research, do your own due diligence, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did like the video, consider dropping a like. It does help with the channel. Hopefully you found the video helpful. And if you do like videos like this or other stock videos, consider subscribing so you can be notified the next time I do upload these videos or other financial videos. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.